Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and a new video. This is just a little short video about getting the carpets in. I was going to do a full one, but it took so long on Sunday just to do these bits here, because the silver trim finish had to be unbolted from underneath, and just to do that side and that side was the best part of 4 hours. So we just had to crack on and get it done. So they're now all in, seat belts now in. Just got to finish off doing these trim bits here. These carpets are now in. These here are just loose for a minute because we're coming up against Sunday, and obviously those there are just laid in loose. Done that one there. Got to sort that seat belt out on Sunday because it's twisted. And if you look under there, done the bit under the seat. Once to put the back seat in, I've literally just put in the little kidney just there. So I'm just about to do that one there, and then the sticker here is going put from the outside. As you can see, it's a little bit slanted, but I've actually changed the name of it to match the channel. So that's going to be coming off, and then obviously Sunday, the new one's going on. Then on Sunday, the front seat's going in, and then she's all ready for the show. So sorry the video wasn't done doing the whole carpets. It was just so much of a faff, as I say, to actually just try and get the sill bits and that in, and then it rained in the afternoon, so we literally just had to crack on and get done with it. But yeah, once it's all in, I'll do pictures and a video of it all in looking nice. So I'll leave a link in the description for the place that I got the carpet from. It's quite good value actually, so I'll put that in for you. And all the usual, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You can follow me on TikTok and Instagram as well, and on Facebook, which is Mike's Rambles with Lucy the Morris Miner, and that's literally going all the way back to 2018, where obviously from when I first got Lucy all the way up to all the stuff I've had done on her. So if you want to go and check that out, just send an invite across and I'll set the request, and you can literally go through all her history from the minute I got her to where she is now. So yeah, thanks very much guys. Thanks for your patience. I know the videos haven't been forthcoming of late, just been a bit busy with work, etc, so I'll catch you soon in the next one. Cheers guys, bye.